Welcome to Kind Vegan, and today we are making vegan bell pepper chickpea stir fry. Very healthy side dish which can be served with rice or just eaten by itself. So in a pan, take some oil, add bell peppers, chopped bell peppers. I've taken red and yellow one. You can take any bell peppers which are available. Saute it for 2 minutes. They will release the sweetness in them, and we want to make it a little bit crispy. Add some salt and saute it. Once you add salt, don't cover it because they'll become soggy. So we are not going to cover this now. Add boiled chickpeas. I have boiled chickpeas with some salt and turmeric. You can use canned chickpeas also. So saute this with the bell peppers, and now red pepper, some cumin powder, because chickpeas are difficult to digest, so add all the spices which will help you to digest. So some turmeric, saute it, and you can add, I'm going to add some black pepper also. So make it spicy as per your choice, and saute it for about 2 minutes on a low flame. I'm adding some black pepper so that it takes all the flavors from the oil and the chickpeas, and some lemon juice, some cilantro. You can add cilantro, mint, any fresh herbs you have. If you don't have fresh herbs, you can use dried herbs you have. Some lemon juice, and I'm going to take out the seeds. Oops, they'll taste it bitter. And it's almost done. Saute it, and then ready to serve this quick chickpea stir fry. Do let me know if you have any questions and if you'd like to see any vegan recipes of your choice. Thank you and have a blessed day.